Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the sign-in option disabled issue in Windows 11. Whether you've suddenly found that you can't log into your account, or you just want to make sure your sign-in options are working smoothly, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to do. First, click on the power button on your login screen, and then hold down the Shift key on your keyboard. While holding Shift, click Restart. Make sure to keep holding the key until your computer starts loading the recovery options screen. This will take you into the advanced startup environment where we can fix the problem safely. Next, click on Troubleshoot, then go to Advanced Options, and select Startup Settings. After that, click Restart. Once your PC restarts, you'll see several options here. Press F5 or the number 5 on your keyboard to enable safe mode with networking. This ensures that Windows starts in a controlled environment while still allowing network access if needed. Once you're on safe mode, it may look different. You might see Microsoft Edge open, or just a black screen, but that's completely normal. Now, simply restart your computer again from safe mode, and wait for Windows to load normally. After this restart, your sign-in options should be fully restored, and you'll be able to log in without any issues. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to fix the sign-in option disabled problem in Windows 11 quickly and safely. Thanks for watching this DelftStack tutorial video. If you found this helpful, share it with someone who might need it. Why not make their day a little easier?